Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Mypicture Photo Canvas. So let's go ahead and open up the package. So in this package is a Mypicture Photo Canvas. The canvas in this package measures 20 centimeters by 30 centimeters. Let's go ahead and open up the package. But of course, tearing open the flap that's keeping the package securely sealed. And let's lift up the flaps and just setting the package down, or the photo canvas down in the middle of the frame, of course facing down at the moment. And let's set the flyer. So there is a card flyer in this package, as you can see. Let's set it to the side, set it on the right hand side of the frame, and this is the 20 by 30 centimeter photo canvas. And as you can see, it is in the portrait style, and it is sealed in shrink wrap as well, so you can see right there. And just setting it on the tabletop so you have a nice and full and clear view of this 20 by 30 centimeter Mypicture Photo Canvas. And now let's go ahead and remove the shrink wrap so we can have a better look at the canvas itself. So just tearing the shrink wrap off of the canvas, and now giving you a look once again, but this time around just setting it back down with the shrink wrap removed. Okay, now let's take a look at the photo canvas. So as I mentioned, this one measures 30 centimeters by 20 centimeters, and this one has a 2 centimeter frame thickness or border, and it is a white border design or edge design. So you can see a simple and plain white border. And looking at the back of the canvas, plain and simple. Now let's take a close-up look at the picture or canvas and the details. So giving you a look at the details of the print and texture of this photo canvas. So looking around the edges and of course up close as well. And to give you some idea of the canvas, the texture, as well as the overall quality of the material. And taking some close-up looks right there. And perhaps this way would be a better orientation given the position of the camcorder. And right there you can see, of course, very close in detail, and just giving you a much closer in look right now so you can see all the way right into the fine detail of the print of the photo canvas. And of course, now taking a look at the back of the photo canvas, we can see it does have a wooden frame, and you can see the canvas attached to it with staples right throughout. this side, just giving you a look as to the, once again, the stretch of the canvas. And there is the Mypicture branding on the canvas itself right there, as you can see. And once again, overall, you can see this 30 by 20 centimeter picture canvas with the 2 centimeter frameless white border, and of course giving you some sense of the size and perspective, resting my hand over the canvas. Try my best to give you some close-up looks right there without bumping into the tripod and camcorder. So overall, as you can see, giving you a 360 rotation of this canvas. So that's the Mypicture Photo Canvas. Thanks for watching and happy decorating!